we have this rule. It's an empirical rule to describe bell-shaped data. Now, I included these two histograms. This is the histogram of all the ages, not just those who declared and those who didn't, but here you go. So I would describe this. This is unimodal. It has one mode. This guy. But if I look, I've got only like one bar, and then I got a little bit on the, maybe one or two out that way. And then on the right side, I got this 1, 2, 3, 4. I got 5 bars. I got this little outlier out here. So this is unimodal right skewed. This is not extremely right skewed. It's just right skewed. And this guy here, we would call him, actually, I think there's two of them. These two people, we call those outliers. We got 2 older students. They're not that much older. They're 28. So this is not bell-shaped. Bell-shaped implies symmetric. All right. So this rule that I'm about to tell you does not apply here. All right. Here I have the reading speed of a bunch, I think it's 4th graders. All right. They take a test and they count how many words per minute they can read. And this guy is unimodal. This is unimodal. This is approximately symmetric. So if I drew a line like right here at 90, the right side and the left side are close to each other. I mean, they're not exactly, but they're close to being mirror images of each other. So those are symmetric. And you can see here my mean is 90, which is right there. So this is my mean. This is going to be, I'm going to call this a sample. So I'm going to call this X bar. Well, let's call them U. All the reading scores, we'll call them U. And my standard deviation is 6.5. So this is mu and sigma. All right. All right, so here's the rule. Now that we've established what bell-shaped data is. Got to include the symmetric guy. All right, so basically, if we have a symmetric distribution, a bell-shaped distribution, then approximately about 68%, which is about 2/3 of the observations, are within 1 standard deviation of the mean. 95% of observations are within 2 standard deviations of the mean. And 99.7% of observations are within 3 standard deviations of the mean. And here we might say this is most. 95%, that's most, all right. 99.7%, this is almost all of them. So almost all observations will occur within 3 standard deviations. And this is like typical values. These occur a lot.